So this is US dollar, Canadian dollar analysis for Friday the 20th of October. Now let's look what happened with prices on the 19th. And let's just see where we are. Let's get 19th. So on the 19th, we did see prices come down from the 18th essentially, and 17th and the 18th. We did see prices come down. On the 19th here, we've seen prices not really trend. With prices did move to the upside, but there was a lot of selling. There wasn't much strong buying momentum, and we have to take prices as they are at the moment, heading to the upside. So to the upside, we do have our levels of 24.86, 125, and we've also got these the 200 and the 400 period moving average currently sitting both at 124.98 and 124.96, so in and around the 125 level. In light of this weak trend not indicating much momentum, I suppose prices could come up to the 125 level, and which is an area of confluence at the moment, because we do have the 200 period moving average which acts as dynamic resistance up there as well. So we could go all the way up there as long with the horizontal level and sell off further. So a sell off from 125 should see prices go all the way down to the 124.26, which is the next major level of support on the US dollar up against the Canadian dollar. Now, if we do, for some reason, it would be a bit slightly surprising, but if we do break above the 200, 400 period moving average as well as the 125 level, a test of the most recent highs where we did have a sell off, and this level from a couple of weeks ago, this weekly pivot of 125.30 will be our next target. Beyond that, we'll be looking all the way up to say 125.80, where we did see some selling before. This will be a minor level, but the next major level is at 126.22. So let's just have a look on the monthly time frame. So let's just get a scale on here, correct? So on a monthly time frame, in the most recent context, we would say that the market is bearish. Even though we did sell all the way down to 120 into the mid 120s before being brought back up to 125, overall trend is to the bearish side. As the month of October, we are not currently in bullish territory. And we have not had a follow through from the buying momentum at the end of the buying momentum in September, which negated the downward move to the mid 120s. So overall, we'd still say we're bearish on the monthly time frame. So let's have a look at a weekly. In a weekly time frame, we're currently reacting to the 200 period moving average. The 200 period moving average is currently sitting at 200 period moving average on a weekly time frame is currently now 124.92. Again, the hourly 200 and 400 sitting around 124 in the 124.90s as well, and we do have the major level of 125. So the fact that we have so many areas of dynamic resistance as well as the horizontal level, to see prices break to the upside would be surprising. But these markets are full of surprises from time to time. So overall, the 200 period moving average is currently sitting at 124.92, which could possibly provide some resistance for prices for a move to 124.26 and eventually a move down to 123. I think it's 123.34 would potentially be the next level beneath 124.26. In the context, in light of the 4 bullish weeks that we have seen on the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, retracement down to 123.34 may not indicate, depending on how quickly we get that, it may not indicate a reversal in trend, but may just be a pullback before a continued move to the upside for a possible retest of 126.22 and 127.78. But we do have to bear in mind, if we do retrace all the way down to 123.34, we do look, the prices would have, the chart would appear to post another lower high in the context of the highs in August. So let's just go down to the weekly, the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see we were in a strong retracement slash reversal to the upside. We are now into a period of consolidation. The prices do appear poised to break down even further. We're currently trading in and around the 20 period moving average. 20 period moving average currently sitting at 124.71, and below which the next major level again is 124.26. So if we are able to hold this, we are able to hold the moving average here at 124.71. We're looking at 125, 125.30 being our upside targets. Again, there is a lot of resistance above there. Below, we do have the 50 period moving average currently sitting at 124.35, which may act as may add to the confluence of the 124.26 level for providing support for prices to the downside. So that should wrap up the analysis for the US dollar Canadian dollar. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.